Starting a business is a big dream for many people. Some want to sell products online, some want to offer services, and some want to turn their skills into income. But when people hear the word like LLC, registration, legal process, or state rules, they feel confused and scared. Many beginners stop before even they starting because they think it is too complicated. In this video, I want to remove that fear completely. I will explain everything and a very basic way so anyone can understand. And you don't need to be a legal expert or business professional. You just need to understand the process properly, and I will help you to do that in this video. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you understand important business topics like registrations, tools, and smart ways to grow your income. In the description, I have shared a helpful service link that can make the LLC process much easier and less stressful. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description, because by using that link, any available discount or special offer that will be applied automatically. Now let's slowly move to the main part of the video. First, let's clearly understand what an LLC actually is and why it matters. LLC means Limited Liability Company. This means your business becomes a separate legal identity. In simple words, you and your business are not the same thing legally. If your business ever has a problem like debt or legal issues, your personal money is separated. Many payment services and marketplaces prefer working with the registered business instead of individual. So starting the business is a big step. With the tools like LegalZoom, you can start your LLC without being an expert in law or paperwork. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to start your LLC using LegalZoom so you can feel confident and organized from the very beginning. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Unlike a sole proprietorship where your personal property is at risk, an LLC separates your personal finance from your business finance. So this is why many small business owners and entrepreneurs choose an LLC. It provides the protection, the credibility, and flexibility for your business operations. When using LegalZoom, the process becomes much simpler because the platform guides you through each step. The first step is to create your account, then the LLC package like the choosing plan, then articles of organization, then you just get your EIN, which is like an optional service. If you want to choose, then you can go with that. Then the operating agreement, then filing your LLC, then just pay for it. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get to the step-by-step tutorial. So just click on the description link. Simply you will be on this page, the LegalZoom official website, and here just click on this business, this drop down, and you can see there is an option Limited Liability Company, which is LLC. Now click on this. What's the name of your business? You need to write the business name here, and this is our business, which is Easy Access Tech. So you just write your business name here. And if you want to add this later, you can go with this, skip and decide later. Okay, so write your name here, business name, and just click on next. And where will Easy Access Tech, I mean the business, that will be located? This name is available. So if your name is not available, then you can see here to choose another name. Okay, so our business is obviously in Florida here. Let's say I'm choosing. So in your case, it will difference like where you want to start your LLC. You can just select the state from here. So I'm just selecting Florida and just clicking next. Now here, who will be the primary contact? Give us a way to reach out to you about your order or with special offers. So you just need to write your email address here. So I'm just writing, and your phone number. So both are optional, but I will strongly suggest you to write your email and phone number here. So I'm just only giving this mail and click on next. What will Easy Access take? So basically here you have to write or select your business niche or category. In our case, it is business marketing consultant. Okay, so I will go with this marketing consulting and next. Government entities, including the Secretary of State, having the special requirements for operating a business legally. Our solution help ensure that you protect your business from fees, penalties, and potential closure. So basically this is the LLC compliant to avoid the setbacks. So simply just click next to go forward, and here The official business report must be filled correctly, and if you want the legal obligation with the required ongoing fillings from the LegalZoom, then you can select the plan here. So as you can see, it has a kind of different plan here. So here you can get the operating agreements with $99, and if you pay the $159, you can get this EIN number, which is basically your LLC's social security number. So you can use it to fill the taxes and build your stuff and access financial resources. And if you pay the like $200 almost, $199, and you can get the operating agreement, EIN, you can get the forms and e-signature. You can get a library of over 150 attorney drafted legal documents that you can easily customize and send the electronic signature. And you can see all of the detail here, what you get for each of these plans. So I'm just selecting no thanks, and it will suggest you more service. Basically, here they are offering you a business bank account, which is very important to start an LLC. So if you have any bank account, you can click on this no thanks, and if you want to create a bank account, then you can select any of this like the Mercury or the Bank of America. So basically I will go with this no thanks. I don't want any bank account right now, but if you want, then you can go if you don't have any account. Now here they are offering you two services. Basically your state filling application, that will take some time. So if you are on hurry and if you need the processing faster, then you can go with this. But in my case, I can wait for the 5 to 14 days. So I will go with this. But if you want to get faster, you can go with that. Now here they are offering you some services, the founder kit from the LegalZoom. If you want to get their services, you can select this, yes, include a founder kit. But for this tutorial video, I'm again going with this, no thanks, but I will suggest you to go with that. It can help you to keep your LLC organized with all vital documents printed all in one place, like organized. So if you want to handle all of this thing by yourself, you can go with this, no thanks, but I will suggest you to go with yes, include, because it will help you to get you free from all of this hassle. Now click on next. Now here, in your case, it will be different because you can see I have selected the Florida. Okay, so Florida state filling fee is $155. It depends on the different states. Here you can see all of your options, and there will be option to turn on or off if you took any service from them. Next thing is just check out your payment. Okay, so just click on this, continue to check out. Okay, next thing is creating your account and filling out your payment details. So if you have already an account, you can just click on this sign in and you can log in your account. And if you don't have an account, just write your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number and your address here. Then just write your card details here and just click on this agree to pay now, and that's it basically. So I hope this helped you to maintain your business legally and avoid the fines or penalties even if you are new to the business. LegalZoom makes it manageable and reduces the stress, so you can focus on growing your business. So that's all for today's video, the step-by-step guide on starting an LLC with LegalZoom. If this video helped you to understand how easy it can be to form your LLC, then give it a like and share it with someone who wants to start a business. And thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.